Hello everyone. In this lecture, we will learn Python string formatting methods. We will cover three methods: percent formatting method, curly braces formatting method, and f-string formatting methods. In this lecture, we will learn the percent formatting methods. It is an little bit older method of string formatting that use the percent sign or operator. There are three cases. The first one, %s marker inserts a string. The %d marker inserts an integer, and %f inserts a float. Let's see some concrete examples, then you will understand what I mean here. Okay, so let's create new files. There are some cases. The first one, there's only one variable. For example, we have a name variable is a string. For example, here we use Mike. We want to print hello the name here. So name is a string. We use %string s. That means we want to print hello the name. We use another %. There's no space, also okay. Name, there's space or no space, you can write together. We indicate that we want insert a string name here. This is the meaning. Let's print. Run the module, save into the folder. Is D in my computer is D Python study here. We call this % for meeting. You see, it print hello Mike. If you want to change the name, for example, here we type Sue or Sue. You just write it. You see, hello Sue. We just change name here. The second example, there are more than one variables, maybe 2, maybe 3, more than one variable or variables, more than one variable. I think it's singular. We still use this example. We use any name here. We add, for example, age is 20. We said the name, any name here, for example, Sue, is at is, maybe we see here, because we want to insert age is integer, percent d is integer, is years old. Here there's a two variable, so we are percent name and age. We use parentheses. If there's a two or more than one variables, we use name, age, and more. Maybe here. Okay, use parentheses. No, let's print. Run. You see, Sue is 20 years old. If you change this age, the name, it will print the results. Yeah, you needing to change anything here, use more print. You just change here the name and the age. You need to change this. Okay, this is the convenient way. Okay. How about there's a list or tuple or something? I mean the complex data variable, the data for types. For a list example, we have we call this a list. We use a very simple one. 1, 2, 3, for example. We want to print this list. We print this is a list. A list here, it regards it has a string. So we use percent s. Then we percent a list. Oh, this parentheses. Okay, let's print. Run it. You see, this is a list. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now let's see how about the float. We have done all these. One variable, a list. Format the number value is a. I mean here is format a float decimal place, such as 0.2. We want 0.22 and so on. Let's see another example here. For example, let's do it together. Here's for float number. We have x is 1. We have y is 3. We have a z variable. It is x divided by y. Now we want to print for example, here's 1 xy, I means is a integer or integers. So we use %d x means is divided by another integer percent d percent is divided, maybe we write in this way. The result of percent d divided by another percent d is z. Here's a z, you see, is a float. We want the result is a float, so we use percent %f. So percent, here there are 3 variables. X is here, the first integer. The second is y. The third is z. Let's print. Let's see the results. Run the module. You see the result of 1 divided by 3 is 0.33. Yeah, this is the default. It seems the default decimal, it is 6 decimal places. How about we want got only 1 decimal places, only 1? So we can do this way. No, let's just copy. The result of percent d divided by percent d is, here we use a dot percent dot 1f, 1 decimal. That means keep 1 decimal place. We write here with 1 decimal place is. Let's write. You see, we got this result, 0.3. Similarly, for example, we get 3 or 2. For example, we just 2. Yeah, just change the number here. You want to keep 1 decimal, then use 1. 3 decimal places, use 3. Percent dot 3f. Here's 3 decimal places is. Let's run and confirm. You see, by 3 with 3 decimal places is 0.333. Okay, and this is the lecture. In the next lecture, we will be learning query braces string formatting. See you then.